Lots of people ignore this, but it actually treats bad skin. It clears your skin. Your skin will thank you for it. You're welcome. In case you're new here, I share beauty tips and health tips on this channel. Subscribe for more tips like this. Let's go on. With few ingredients you can find in the kitchen, you can actually make your skin look so beautiful. No more sunburn, no more rough skin, no more wrinkles. Glow uniformly with few ingredients. Let's go on. So you need to get only 3 ingredients. One of it is oat powder. As you can see, oat powder is very important for those that have skin irritation. If you have skin irritation, dry skin, severe dry skin, or if your skin is dull, use it to exfoliate your skin to have a clear uniform skin so that your skincare products will start working perfectly. Lots of people, they use creams, but it's not working. This will help. Also, oat powder is very important for you to moisturize. Like for those that have dry skin, we benefit so much. So another one is honey. Honey is so important for deep moisturizing. For those that have severe dry skin, use this to keep your skin hydrated. It glows the skin. It kills acne causing bacteria, and you have a clear, flawless skin. So beautiful. So the third one, which is not here but I added it here, is milk powder. Milk powder is filled with lactic acid. Very important and mild for all skin types, whether you have sensitive skin or oily skin. Just apply it for a smooth, uniform skin. Your skin will get so flawless, uniform, without any blemishes. You will just love the result. Like, this is something that I love so much, to reduce those lines, laugh lines, wrinkles with time, not immediate. It also brightens the skin and giving you uniform skin, like I stated. So these 3 wonderful ingredients, this is how to measure them rightly. 1 tablespoon of oat powder I added here. Then I went ahead to add few drops of honey, about half teaspoon is okay. Then you add half tablespoon of milk powder. Add everything together and mix properly. Then you use, if your treatment is thick, just add rose water. Rose water is a very good one to calm skin and also to clarify the skin, make the skin uniform. It tones the skin. You will love it. If you don't have rose water, just mix with a clean water. Mix together until it's in a thick paste like this, not watery and not so thick. Perfect. Then after that, you need to remove all makeups. I don't have makeup. Like, ensure you rinse and wash properly so that this treatment will be able to penetrate well and work perfectly. All right, so I'm going to go right now to show you how it's done for best results. Just apply everywhere. Even if you don't have a problem skin, applying this once or twice weekly is perfect. If you have those problem skin like rough skin, acne, please be using these treatments always. I will tell you the number of times or number of days to use it in a week to get perfect result. So please just go ahead and apply all this. If you have sunburn, if you have wrinkles, or you just want to take care of your skin the way I just said. All right, so please, when you are taking care of your face, ensure you apply also on your neck so that it will be uniform. So you can also apply this all over your body, okay, so that everything will be uniform. Okay, so after this, I'll leave it on for 15-20 minutes to dry and I'll go rinse it out. I'll be right back. Just stay tuned. So after rinsing it out, go on and apply a serum or light moisturizer. Light moisturizers like rosehip oil, some light oils that penetrates, natural oils like sunflower oil. So if you don't have those ones, make use of your facial products that are very good, like the one we have, made by me, purely natural, no side effect. Like, apply it on your skin and you see your skin looking better. When you make use of this facial mask and facial scrub that I show you here, you see your skin improving. It will accept your skincare products perfectly and you get perfect result. But if your skincare products are not good, like chemically filled, it will ruin everything, making it to waste money. Patronize us if you want to get a perfect skin, uniform skin that glows. Here is the WhatsApp number. You will never regret it. All right, so go on and use this facial mask I just showed you now. Use it 3 times weekly, every day, 3 times weekly. If you don't have problem skin, just go on and use it only once or 2 times just to keep on maintaining your beauty. We also have very good supplements, natural supplements, that when you take it from the inside, you see your skin looking better and better and younger as well. Thank me later. All right, so this video here is a very good one for you, perfectly for your skin. You will never regret it. Click on it and watch. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.